Introducing the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, designed for powerful, intelligent, whole-home deep cleaning. Experience deep cleaning power with the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for efficient whole-home cleaning. This vacuum reveals invisible dust with 100% more power and offers up to 60 minutes of runtime. The power trigger maximizes energy efficiency, using power only where it's needed most. It intelligently adapts power based on detected debris, displaying total picked-up particles on the LCD screen. The fluffy optic cleaner head reveals hidden dust, while the digital motor bar cleans all floor types. Easily converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery with ease. The hair screw tool efficiently removes long hair and pet hair from various surfaces without tangling. Includes 5 Dyson-engineered accessories for versatile cleaning from high to low and everywhere in between. Advanced filtration traps 99.99% of particles, expelling cleaner air with durable materials and a 2-year warranty. Rated 4.5 stars. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features.